So here we've got our cyclone separator filter box. Every time you fill up your debris tank, you would certainly want to check this and clean it out. Other than that, you want to be checking it out on a weekly basis. The easiest way to do is make sure you wear gloves, as there are significant pinch points. But just push on the top right-hand corner, undo the two wing nuts here, push them back, and then slowly release the door. And you will find here, especially after you've filled up for the day, there will be some debris in here, which you can simply scoop out, or you can wash that out as well.